want to view your students' work in your interactive document activity, you first have to go into the activity. Specifically, if you'd like to see their discussion contributions, open the document within the activity, and it might look a little messy here, so it's recommended to open up this blue button to the right of the doc, and you can see all the discussion posts and replies in addition to the question prompts if they were included in the document as well. If you want to see if a student completed the activity, you can do so in the document area within the FeedbackFruits activity. This completion status is based on how much of the required grading steps the student completed. If the student completed everything assigned to them in the document, they'll achieve a 100% completion. In the grading section, you can view how your students did on each grading criteria, as well as their overall score. If you haven't set up grades to automatically publish, or publish after a certain date, you can manually publish them here by selecting the Publish Grades button. As you can see, I'm working with a small test class. However, if you have a larger class, it may be intimidating to try to find a specific student. If that's the case, try utilizing this magnifying glass icon in the document or grading section to search for the student you're looking for. Thank you for watching. For more FeedbackFruits related content, please subscribe to our channel.